Hey, it's Patrick Cuneta. Hope you're having a great day. I've been making beats for 2 or 3 years now. I've made probably around 250 beats total, and also make my own music, which the links are in the description if you guys want to check that out. I've currently released 10 songs, and of all those songs, I've made all the beats. I make all the beats on my music. I do all the production, recording, mixing, mastering, everything. And today I thought I'll just show you guys my process of how I make beats in Logic Pro here for my songs. I'm just gonna make a beat on video here for you guys and show you how I do it. This isn't gonna be a super formal tutorial or anything. I might do some videos soon showing you guys, actually teaching you how I do some of this stuff. But today I just thought I'd, get started by just making a beat here with you guys, just kind of showing you how I do it. This is my first video of this kind, so I'm pretty excited for it. Yeah, I might be making much more videos showing about how I make music and teaching things like that. In the near future, just trying out a new type of video here. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join me on the journey to success and happiness. And let's go ahead and get started here. So I got Logic Pro opened up right now. I just opened up a brand new file. All I'm gonna do is open up Omnisphere, which is basically a sound library. Like I said, I'm not gonna super explain everything I'm doing. I'm going to generally kind of walk through what I'm doing, but I'm not gonna go super in depth because I'm just kind of showing you guys how I make beats. So I'm just bringing up the tempo up to 141 here, turn on the metronome, got a nice little 8-bar loop going here. And I'm just gonna start it off by making a simple little melody, and that's gonna be our main melody that we're gonna build everything around. Sometimes I'll start with different things, sometimes I'll start with the drums, but typically I will start with a nice little melody. Definitely gonna be a nice bouncy hip hop beat is what I wanna go for, but also just kind of make it in a little different style than I have been lately. So typically what I'll do is I'll figure out a sound to start with. How about we go into, let's go into the ethnic world. You never know, sometimes there's some cool stuff hiding in here. Just gonna shuffle it, and basically I just cycle through until I find a cool sound, and then from the sound I'll come up with a random little melody. So see what we got here. Bam, I got it. Now that I messed around and got that little melody going, I'm going to just record it. Perfect. Now I'm going to hit Q to quantize it. That just snaps it into time. Let's take a peek at this here, what we got. Highlight it. I'm going to shorten it a little bit, clean it up a little bit here. This is what we got here. Woo! Okay, this is gonna be freaking nuts, guys. I already know. I'm gonna turn that metronome off because it's annoying. Now we can hear the tempo pretty well with that. So this is gonna be our main melody for the whole song, and I'm gonna build everything else off of this. So I think this is enough to just go ahead and throw some drums in there. So I have open here some sound packs. These are just a bunch of files with a bunch of drum sounds in them that sound better than the stock stuff that comes in Logic. So I got this drum pack from Kyle Beats, so I'm gonna go ahead and use some of these. I like to use these drum packs here. I have another one from Ocean. I think I need to get some more soon, but these are just the main ones that I have for now, and they got some pretty good sounds on them. So I'm just gonna play the loop over and over, and I'm gonna go through the different drum sounds and see what sounds best. Typically, I'm gonna start with like a snare or a clap to kind of give us a little bit of rhythm here. So that's what I'm gonna start with here. Let's see what we got. Those are kicks. Clap. Whew, this freaking crap is loud, bro. This is way too loud. This is like hurting my freaking head, dog. Add that little spice in there, you know what I mean? We're gonna do this and then join it. Make sure it's quantized. I'm gonna cut this last little bit out to add a little bit of variation. So this is what we got. Okay, found it. This is the one. Cry. I'm just gonna delete those other ones because we don't need them. Nice. Next thing, once I get the kick or the clap or the snare in there. I'm gonna go to a kick drum here and see what I can find. Jesus, what I cannot read today, kicks. Might be able to work with this one, see what we got here. That could be pretty cool. Let's lay down. I don't know if I like that, but you can always go in and change it later, so let's check it out. That's actually freaking nice. I like it. Throw a little overdrive on that kick. That's actually definitely a different kind of kick than I normally would go for, but it sounds pretty cool. Next, once I got that in there, nice little groove going, we're gonna throw in some hi-hats. All right, this one right here, for sure. I heard it. Right when I heard it, I knew it was the one. Truth. This one I'm definitely hearing that simple hi-hat rhythm to it, so let's get it going. That could work. Let's check it out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Aha. EQ this down a little bit. Got this cool little idea for the hi-hats here. I'm gonna make them all the same velocity. I'm gonna go to automate the velocity here. It's gonna go. It's gonna slowly kind of come in and out, get louder. Okay, I think we got it. Gives us a little bit of in and out motion to it. All right, now that we got that in there, let's see. Add a little accent in there. I think I'll throw a little open hi-hat for a little bit of flavor. You'll hear it in just a sec. Open hats, where you at? Open hats, where you at? Where's these freaking open hats at, brother? Open hats, bruh. All right, let's lay it down. That's all. We're gonna stretch it out a little bit here, y'all. Quantize. Turn it down a little bit. All right, now we got a nice little foundation here. Now that we got some drums in there, along with the main melody, what I'm gonna do is add in a nice bass line. And I think some 808s would sound real nice on this. If I can find some good 808 sounds that I got here, let's see what we got. Come on. Pretty wild. We need to change the kick. It's just not mixing very well. EQ this down a little bit. There we go. That's coming together. I'm just going through and EQing this up to clean it up a little bit. Just kind of separating the sounds to the different frequencies is really all it is. I'm gonna spread out the main melody a little bit here using stereo spread. Just kind of separate it from the rest of the tracks here. All right, now that I got everything balanced out a little bit better, I'm almost done with the structure of this whole thing. So what I'm gonna do is, for the last piece of the puzzle here, I'm going to take this cool little sound and I'm gonna add a nice little high melody on top for the chorus part. And you'll see in just a minute here. All right, I think we got it. Go ahead and record. That's pretty cool, see? Pretty sick. And that's basically all the pieces of the puzzle that we're gonna need here. And now that I've got these parts laid out, let me show you where the real magic happens. I'm gonna just loop everything here and then just rearrange it a little bit. Sometimes I like to color coat my tracks here to keep better track of everything. These are just the colors I usually go with just to keep track of things. It's bothering me that it needs to be darker. There we go. Looking good. Okay, so now we just got to rearrange things a little bit here. So what I'm gonna do is make the drums come in here, give us a little space for the intro. 808 may or may not stay in the beginning. I think the 808 could definitely come in on this song a little bit later. I'm gonna do a little bit of tweaking here, then I'll show you guys what I got in just a minute. Bum, 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 bum. Making sure we got these little endings correct. Add a little bit of clap there, and bam. Now that I've rearranged it a little bit, we have all the different sections of the beat. This part right here is gonna be the intro, and then the drums are gonna come in. It's gonna slowly build up a little bit. 808s are gonna come in, a little more drums here. This is gonna be the chorus section here. It's gonna reset for another verse right here, and then the second chorus, and then trail into an outro. And that's generally how I structure my beats. It's pretty structured the way that I do it. I usually make it pretty simple with symmetry, and I like to make simple beats so that I have plenty of room on there for vocals, for melodies, for stuff like that to sing on top of, to rap on top of, whatever I feel like doing, because this beat, once I'm done with this, it's gonna go into my collection of beats that I have, which will most likely turn into a song in the near future. So now that I got this rearranged here, let's go ahead and have a listen to what we got. Ooh, that's a nice ending. I like that right there. And bam, just like that, ends right at 3 minutes and 12 seconds. We got 2 verses, 2 choruses, intro, outro. Nicely structured little beat here. Like I said, this is gonna go into my collection of beats that I have. I have a big old library of beats. And basically what I do after that is I sort them. I keep my favorite beats towards the top, and then I will use those to write choruses on, and then eventually lyrics for the whole song, for the verses and everything. Then I'll hop in the booth, get it recorded, mixed, mastered, and that's how I make a song. But this is how I make beats. Like I said, just wanted to kind of just hop in here and make a beat with you guys today, show you my process, show you how I get things done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more types of videos like this. I'm planning on making quite a bit more videos centered around music like this. Music is a really big part of my channel now. It's just one of the things that I'm absolutely passionate about. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comments. Check out the description. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. Got plenty more coming soon. Your mind is much more powerful than you think. Have a great day. Peace.